Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And today I will discuss about basic arithmetic operations in Excel, and I will discuss about some operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and pronunciation. And I will show you a simple example so that you can understand the operations of these methods. So let's get it started. At first, I want to share about some information that Excel actually allows you to perform mathematical operations using simple symbols called operators. And as we already know, there are some operators sign. We know for our school life, which is a plus sign, minus sign, and for multiplication, Excel use this wildcard sign, and for division, Excel use this sign. And after that, for multiplication, Excel uses this sign. And so now I'll show you simple data sets, and then I'll show you how you can apply these operators and basic arithmetic operations into your spreadsheet. So at first, let's say I'll add like this is number one. This is the number one, and after that I will add number two, and let's say this is for addition, and this is for subtraction, and this is for multiplication. And after that I will add division, and I will add lastly for, and let's say I will add some numbers like 10, 20, and 15. And for number 2 I will add 5 and 4 and 3, let's say. And now I will make this table by pressing Ctrl T. So this is my simple data sets. Now I'll show you how you can address addition operations. So here you have to write a formula. I will go to the home tab, and then I will write a formula. So I will assign a equal sign first, and then I can use 10, and I will use plus 5. And if I press enter, it gives me 15. As you can see, it actually show 15 for all the cells, but for this section there is two different numbers, and if I add up these two numbers, then it will not 15 surely. So these are all appear wrong values except the first one, because we have used a definite number or direct numbers. But when we use actually a formula, then this problem will be removed, because in the data set, if I distinctly use only one data set, then if, as you can see, if I use here only a formula but it apply for all the other cells, but if I use formula with cell references, then this problem will be removed. So I'll select this cell, and after I will add up this cell, and if I press enter, then I have get the original values or right values, like this is actually 24 and this is 18. And I have used here the plus operators because this is addition operation, and for subtraction I will assign again equal sign first, and then I will address the first number, and then now I will add minus sign, and I will select the second number. And if I press enter, as you can see, it gives the result for all the values. And I will also use for multiplication, like I select this cell, and then I'll add card, and then I'll select this cell, and if I press enter, it gives me the result for all the other numbers. For division it will also easy, So you have to assign a call sign, and then put the operator, and then I will add the second number, and if I press enter, it gives us the results. And for pronunciation, I will use the same method. I will select the first number, and then I will add the operator, and I will select the second number, and if I present it, it gives us the numbers. And one thing I want to address as addition, like you have to use parentheses rightly, because if you don't use parentheses, don't wisely, then it will get error. So let's say if I want to add these two numbers, let's say these numbers, and I will add plus operator, and then I'll select the second number, and then I want to multiply it by what I have gained from the subtraction. So let's say I have a select multiplication, and if I press this, as you can see, it will get 35. But here if I add up these two numbers, which is 15, and if I multiply by 5, then it will not definitely 35. That means it will get wrong answers. So you have to use the parenthesis at the first of your number, and then the second of your number, and then it will give you the right answer. So this is the right answer, which is 75. So mind it about, you have to use correctly the parenthesis. So that is how I have shown to you the process of some arithmetical operations into a spreadsheet. I hope you will be able to do with your own into your own data sets, and you can do these arithmetic operations perfectly. So this is all for today. In the next video, I'll discuss the other exciting things.